So look where I'm at. That's right. Oh, what we got here, man? We got a, what is this, like a Red Cat Baja?
Yep. 4-wheel drive.
Damn, you guys got a lot of work here, bro. Zah.
Every day.
Wow.
All day.
A lot of nitros, kid. Nice shit. Got a goodie right here. Pico 128. Very nice. JP3 pipe. We got Savage here.
Huh?
What's up, Mello? I'm sorry, bro. I'm over here walking around and shit. What's up, kid? Yeah. What's going on? Oh, shit. You got my man working on a nitro engine here. What you got, LRP 32 or 30?
No, that's a 30, but he blew it.
Oh, it's a ZR30.
Yeah, let me ask this phone call.
Nice.
Hello. Dígame.
Got nice rims.
Yeah.
Yeah, tú mejor.
Those are
You saw these?
SRC Hobbies.
No shit.
I have them in stock.
Oh, very nice. Wow, they are nice, man.
Huh?
They're belted.
Oh, wow.
I have off-roaders,
Okay,
street,
Very nice.
off-road, street, and slicks
Oh, nice.
for the 8 scales.
Yeah, it's got like a rugged.
You gotta have 17mm hubs.
Yeah.
Okay. He's running the VP fuel, I see. Nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
4.
There's no more.
Got another LRP. Oh, there's a 32 here.
Yeah.
All right. So what happened here?
Well,
Oh, this was it?
he ran too lean and the pin, the hose, the piston broke.
Mm-hmm.
So look at this.
Oh, shit. What the hell fuel? Is he running the right fuel? We need fucking Byron's to come back, man.
Byron is not gonna come back because of the simple thing about it is, you know, you remember Panther Racing fuel?
Yeah.
They just gave up because of the nitro kept going up and up and up.
Oh, the shipping costs?
The shipping cost
Yeah.
because it's hazmat. So,
Damn it. That's what. Wow, look at this scratch, bro. Holy shit.
that motor needs a piston
Wow.
sleeve.
Look at that scratch. That's like a crack almost, man.
Yeah, but that was a
Jeez.
piece of something of this.
Mm-hmm.
You see the seat clip?
Yeah. Ah.
The seat clip came off,
Mm-hmm.
and it got stuck in between
Ah,
here.
that's it. Yeah. Wow. And this is the good one. This is the better LRP. Wow.
Yeah, but
What a shame.
The thing about it is people.
You built this? You built this one? Oh, how'd you find a rebuild kit for this?
No, I'm gonna order. He's gonna order online
Uh-huh.
from LRP.
Oh, okay.
But
Uh-huh.
after he order it, I need to flush everything out to find out if the bearings are good and all that stuff.
All right, good shit. All right, man. Keep up the good work, kid. See you busy, Mello. Damn. I see you all busy, bro.
Yeah.
Good shit, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. Okay, let's get back to the real deal. All right. Ray, I got to say, let me be the first to congratulate you. Let's all say congratulations to Ray from Track Day Hobbies. My man, what do we got here, Ray? What do we got here? Let's...
The first dragster.
My man Ray from Track Day Hobbies, Marcia, they got their first Primal Dragster, and they want to come and compete and join in on the fun on September 13th. What are you going to do, sportsman class or extreme?
No, we'll keep it.
Sportsman?
Small.
Nice.
No big ball.
Nice. I mean, the sportsman is going to be such a fun class to be in, bro. Wow. All right. So what we got here? We got double boxes. Oh, Zeneca Fezzer. Uh-huh. The famous fuel tank. That tank is awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you have the pump here, too. The pump gets mounted there.
Yeah. For the crank and all that.
Yeah.
Easy fill.
Yeah. Look at this baby. Oh, man, you have a high counters here. Want me to put it over here on the floor?
Good. You want to help them put it on the floor?
I'll put it on the floor if you want. Yeah.
Yeah, we can fill
Marcia,
it.
you grab this here. Cause
Okay.
BOTAJELL is unprofessional, bro. But we real. There's no fake shit. You know what I'm saying? So, let me put this over here, Ray.
Hold on.
I get the next chair.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, Oh, this is a beauty. This is a beauty, bro. So, let me just say, man, the sportsman class is gonna be fun, bro. It's good. There's so many people. I'm so glad. I got one as well. All right, look what we got. This, definitely save this.
Well, yeah. Parts.
Bro, he has everything is perfect on this. Even the screw sizes.
Yep.
All right. Ray, look how light that sucker is. Yo, and that's bone stock. Hey, Ray. Stickers.
Well, you're not going to require some custom painting.
Ah, shit.
Oh, that's
Might
my
have to
job.
do an airbrush kit on this.
Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that thing, man. It's happy to see you. It's happy to see Track Day Hobbies. Look at that thing. Ray. Ray, can I pick it up?
Go ahead.
Pow, 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 kid. What? Yo, Mello. Mello.
There's no ride.
Mello, can you come out here? I need your help. Okay. Happy to see you, kid. What? I'm happy to see you, bro. Look at that.
Damn.
Zah. Look at it.
You're really happy to see me.
Oh, come on now. Seriously?
You guys can edit that part out.
Yeah, exactly. Edit that out. We don't need
Come
flowers.
on. Schlong racing here.
What's going on?
So, yo, what color we gonna
Tell
paint
you.
it?
We got
It's
customers.
crazy.
We got customers here. Mello.
Well,
Look at this. Look at this beauty here. Look at this.
Very nice.
Sportsman class, bro. I can't wait to see you guys out there. Track Day Hobbies, kid. Even clutch bell, bro. Ray, all you gotta do is just slap an engine. Zah? Are you ready to go? Holy shit. Ray's ready to go. What the heck? What the how'd you this what? No way. Oh, open that. Please unwrap that. I'm not am I seeing things?
No, you're not.
That's Yo, Carmelo. Did he see this? How the heck? What the hell? Wow, bro. There you go, kid. Wow. What a beautiful heart, man. Well, you got yourself a nice heart and everything already, right? Shoot. Ah. What a beautiful job, kid.
And I have one for somebody else.
Oh, and you have-
in the group.
You got the beautiful,
Everyone likes that one.
this is the Bartolo Enlightened clutch plug. Look at this.
Yeah, I have one for somebody in a group that I'm going to be calling today.
Awesome.
Look at this one. This one's awesome too.
My man got a happy to see you reed case. Look at this.
This one's a 40 cc.
Whoa.
long.
Whoa. BR40, what? Super nice, man. Super zah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is sweet, bro.
And
Damn
then
it.
as soon as he's done, I'll have the
God.
pipe for the Baja.
Nice.
If you want to put it in a Baja, you can. And I'll have the pipe for the Lozi also if you want to put it in a Lozi.
Wow.
50.
Nice. Good shit. Good shit. That would sound amazing with a happy to see you pipe. But dude, awesome, bro. Oh, dude, yeah, you're all set. You're ready to go. Very nice.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the
Yeah.
clutch shoe and the clutch.
So, since this is a happy to see you reed case, you just no, I think it fits fine. But on my I forgot when I did it, but my my Finley 50, I had to move this up a notch. But that's it. You all ready to go? All right. Because I think right now it's made direct fit for a piston port, but you just got to adjust that.
Ashbat.
All right, good shit. What the heck? What the heck is this, Ray? Zah. Who's it? Who made this?
Inertia.
Oh, wow. I never seen this shit before. Wow.
And we stock them too.
No kidding.
Absolutely.
I had no idea, man. You
And
guys.
and I have for the guys that want to run on their Baja
Wow.
class.
This is sweet.
If they want to run mechanical brakes for the front,
Uh-huh.
I have the IRP hubs that accommodate the disc brake for the mechanical.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice.
Not sure if I'm gonna
Nah, you
throw
don't.
this in
No.
or not. I don't
Yeah.
know yet.
Yeah, you could just slap this engine on here and call it a day and go.
Yeah.
But
Just
you
wanted
know,
to show you.
just throw your hubs and your slicks. Yeah,
100%.
and call it a day and go. You know, awesome, bro. Nice, man. Nice stuff, right over here. Track Day Hobbies, no joke, kid. Good stuff, man. Congrats, bro. Congrats.
And the front wheels are on their way for you,
Uh-huh.
for me, and I'll have hopefully enough to
Awesome.
satisfy
Perfect.
for the front wheels. For the
Great. Great.
They're going to be nice spoke,
Yeah.
aluminum CNC,
Perfect.
with Bishop rubber on.
Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. We'll try that. We'll try them out. For now, I'm going to try out. I may just keep the stock ones, but I may do that Pro Line one. Remember that those rims and tires you hooked me up with?
Yeah.
So I have to just glue them. I'm going to try them out. But good. Good stuff, Ray. Congrats, kid. My man.
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be a fun class to be in, a fun time. September 13th, Primal event, Long Island, New York.
Should be done. Cavallo will have some
Oh, without a doubt, yeah.
fun putting shit together.
I got to rush home and finish my extreme class and then start on my sportsman class. Yo, Ray, this thing is going to look sweet over here, bro.
Oh yeah, dude. Once it's done and the wheels
Hell
are
yeah.
on, you know
Zah.
what I'm saying?
That thing is going to be badass from the outside. You got to get rid of this damn tractor shit, number one. And then we got... Hell yeah. Got to get a new poster. So we got rid of this damn...
Yeah, right done. Right here.
Look at that. Badass.
Done.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that, man. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Everybody, let's see what the progress Ray does with this. You know, that's why I like doing these videos. That way we see everybody's different styles, different stuff. So, what were you saying, Ray?
She's gonna get the.
What's the story, Marcia? Before I go, what's the story? What is this?
Okay, someone had contacted us
Yeah.
and said they want to send you a surprise in the mail.
Really?
Okay.
That's
Wait,
his
let me-
information.
Let me phone.
Yeah. Let's hide that. What's his name?
Hold on, Ray.
We'll hide his.
His
What?
name is
Mark-
Greg Tony.
Greg Tony.
Yes. This has been waiting here for you for quite some time.
Oh
now.
shit! So
We've
everybody.
all been busy with the
busy, yeah.
coronavirus and
Sorry
all
for
that
so long.
mess. And that is the package.
Oh, let's. You want to open her up? Let's see.
Let's see what it's about. I was closed for a while. Everybody was, you know.
I'm sure he understands. I hope he does.
I hope he does too. But anyhow, this is what he sent you. We'll start with the letter. This is for BOTAJELL to give to. Oh, okay. Holy shit! This
What?
is for BOTAJELL to give to Jersey Nick.
Jersey Nick, what the?
Any questions?
Any
You
question?
can text at blah, 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 as always, keep what you're doing. So that's the
To
letter.
Jersey Nick. All right, all right.
Yes. So,
3 months later. 2 months. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, yeah.
and that's that.
What the heck could this be? It look like almost full, like the wheelie bar holder, right? To hold the wheelie bar.
That's what it looks like.
Well, I guess this is for Jersey Nick. Yeah.
I thought it was for you.
Yeah. Jersey Nick, here you go, kid. Holy shit. Good shit, man.
Hey, that's been sitting there for like the longest.
Good stuff. Big shout out to, what was his name again? Tony what?
Greg Tony.
Greg Tony. Big shout out to
From
Greg
Tony
Tony.
Sheet Metal.
Tony Sheet Metal, man. Big shout out to you guys.
Baker, Los Angeles.
Wow. Another California. Nice. All right, all right.
And this is the letter with his phone number.
Perfect.
So this way you get whatever.
I'll give him a shout, sure.
Exactly.
All right, thank you, man.
No problem.
All right, Ray. So listen, nice day. I have to head home, man. I got so much stuff to do, but congrats to you, kid. Congrats.
Cool.
Can't wait to get an eye on that.
Put this back in here.
Sure, sure. Yep. Good stuff, Ray. All right, man. Till next time. Marcia, till next time.
Okay. See you later.
We'll give him a shout out on
Look at this. Amsoil dominated the blood for our hearts, kid. The blood you want flowing, streaming through your hearts, your engines, kid. Especially if you're racing. If you're putting down, that's a must. All right, bro. Happy to see you, kid. Happy to see you. Whoa, we can't. Can we see? We can't. We can't film that one. Mello, I'll see you, buddy.
All right.
Oh, almost. All right, see you guys. Take care.
All right, John. Straight to.
Later. Now you guys got to put a dragster over here on the wall.